We're out here in nature. The animals are really stirring. Things are getting intense. I saw a herd of hippos take off towards the southwest. They ran right past me. I had to duck behind a bridge. As the hippos ran, I suddenly saw 2 giraffes peek through. That's right, 2 giraffes peeked through the bush and started to eye me. They were deciding whether or not they wanted to run in front of me because the hippos were coming their way. I was terrified, but I was also extremely interested in the scene that I was witnessing. I have to get down because I just heard that there's a flock of eagles coming in, and they're swooping down like praise on their prey. They want their prey. They are predators. Predators, indeed! So I'm just out here keeping my voice down now because there's a terrifying alligator over here on the bank. But I can't go this way because I saw 3 rattlesnakes, huge rattlesnakes. They were slithering across the trail. Oh man. So if I go this way, I might be eaten by an alligator. And not just that, behind the alligator was 2 wolves. And I'm pretty sure they were leading a pack of other wolves. So I need to keep my voice down, down, like this, down here. This is where my voice should be, all the way down here. But still I am talking loud. So I'm gonna raise my, oh goodness, I've fallen. I almost fell anyway. You've got to be really careful out here. There's really, really bad things happening. Animals are stirring all around. Ah! I saw one. I saw an animal. I almost got hit. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh, get down! Get down! They're coming! Did you see that? Did you just see that? And over there! They're over there! Oh no! What do I do? Oh! Oh no! Oh! What do I do? The animals are coming! Oh no! Oh! Shit! Oh! Maybe if I just do weird things like this, they'll leave me alone. They've never... That's a tactic I learned in survival training school. I went to an elite survival school. It was one of the premier survival schools of the elites. And I went there because I was a member and they taught me stuff. And one of the things they taught me at this premier prestige school of the enlightened few, that's right, of the enlightened few in the survival industry. All right, this is what they taught me. They taught me, and I'm serious here. So serious. If you do wacky, weird things, then the animals won't know what you are. Because you see, animals' brains are wired subconsciously to ancient habits. Their neurology in their brain, all the neurological connections are tied into their DNA of their ancestral lineage. They are primed and receptive to knowing, who their target is. And if you do things that are just out of the ordinary, they won't know if you're a target or if you're just, something to eat or not something to eat is what I'm trying to say. You just hit it in the shoulders. This is a tactic. A little bit ago, I saw a bear. It was a big bear, big bear, big bear. Big bear, big brown bear. The bear was so big, so I'm just trying to keep him away now. It had razor sharp talons. Those are teeth, I should say. Those are talons. Bears don't have talons. The razor sharpness of their claws were sharp. Claws sharp, coming at me with talons was birds. Birds now, talons with beaks, and bears with claws. And I was terrified. Can you see I'm in hysteria? I'm in hysteria. Where am I? Okay, so anyway, it's a really calm morning, but there's animals everywhere, and it's dangerous. I'm in danger. I'm going to start trying to make my way back to my vehicle. Just on the other side of the outback. We're in the Congo River Valley. There's crazy things happening all around. And this has been an episode of